Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. I used this stitch to make a baby blanket with it. I made a baby blanket with it. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's a beautiful stitch. It's from both sides is the same. From this side and from this side. As you can see, it's the same pattern. Hope that you managed to make it. We start by making chains. Chains we have to make multiples of 10. So chains we make multiples of 10 plus 1. So you make multiples of 10, then when you finish you add 1. Now I'm going to start the first row. The first stitch, I put it aside so you can see better. So the first stitch, the first chain, we're going to skip it. We go in the second one and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now in the next chain we're going to make a treble or double crochet, depends how you call it. Now we make a chain, we skip the first chain here, the next chain here, and we go in the next one and we make a treble. We have to make 4 trebles in the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We make a chain and we skip another chain. We skip the next chain, we go in the other one and we make another 4 trebles or double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we make a chain and we skip the next chain, we go in the other one and we make 4 trebles, and you continue all the row like that. As I told you, you start with a single crochet or double crochet, how we call it, and a treble or double crochet, then you skip a chain, 4 trebles, you skip a chain, you make a chain, 4 trebles, you skip a chain, you make a chain, and another 4 trebles. You continue all the row like that. We are at the row is ready. As you can see, we're at the edge. We skip a chain, the chain, we go to the next one, we make a single crochet, a double crochet, sorry, or a treble, depending how you call it, treble or double crochet, I don't know how you call it. You make a treble and you finish with a single crochet, and that is the row ready. We finished. We skipped a chain, then we made a treble and a single crochet, just like we started it. Now we're going to start the second row. This is ready. We make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We turn the work around. Now we have here, this is the single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and this is the treble we made before, or double crochet. So we're going to put the hook from here to here in it, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now we make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in this space here between these 4 and these we made a chain here. So here we're going to make 3 trebles, 1 or double crochet, how you call it, 2 and 3, like that. Now we have these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We leave these 3 out. We go in the 4th one. We put the hook from here to here, pull up a stitch and make a single crochet or double crochet. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We have another space here where we made the chains, so we make 3, another 3 trebles, 1, 2 and 3, like that. Again we skip 1, 2, 3, we go in the 4th one, we put the hook for like this, single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, 3 chains, and again here we make 3 trebles, 1, 2 and 3. Again we skip 1, 2, 3, we go in the 4th one, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 trebles in the next space, and you continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. Again we arrived here, 1 2 3, when we go in the fourth one, single crochet, 3 chains and 3 trebles here, 1 2 and 3. I'm going to show you right now, 1 2 3 4. We go in the fourth one again, single crochet, 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, 3 trebles in the space, 1 2 and 3. Now we go here where we finished here, and we finish with a single crochet. The last chains we finish with a single crochet, and that is the other row ready. We're going to start the third row. Now this third row will follow the other rows, always repeating this row. You're going to repeat it always. We start with 3 chains. Here in the same place we make a treble. Make a treble in the same place, or double crochet, how you call it. Now you see these three trebles. You go in the last one here and you make a single crochet, putting the hook from behind, single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. You go here where we made the chains and we make 3 trebles, 1 2 and 3, like that. Now we skip 1 2, we go in the third one here, hook always from behind, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Another 3 chains, you go here in the chains and you make another 3 trebles, 1 2 and 3, treble or double crochet. You skip these 2, you go in the third one, hook from behind, and we make a single crochet or double crochet. 3 chains, you go here where we made the chains and you make another 3 trebles, 1 2 and 3. You skip these 2, you go in the next one, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, you will go where we made the chains and you make 3 trebles, 1 2 and 3. You skip 1 2, you go in the third one from behind, single crochet, 3 chains and 3 trebles in the chains you made before, 1 2 and 3. Again you go in the third one here, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. You go here in the space, you make 3 trebles, 1 2 and 3, and you finish. You go here in the last one here and you finish with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Then you start the next row again and you repeat what you did. You make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. Here in the same place you make a treble. Now you skip the first 2, you go in the third one, a single crochet, 3 chains and 3 trebles in the chains we made before, 1 2 and 3. As you can see, I'm repeating the row that I showed you, and you continue like that. You go in the third one, you make a single crochet, 3 chains, 3 trebles here. You continue to repeat the row that I showed you before. The pattern goes along like that. And this is the final result, what you will have. As you can see, it's a very beautiful stitch. It's a very beautiful stitch. As I told you, I made a blanket with it, a baby blanket. It's a beautiful stitch, as I told you. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.